This is my 9 to 5 as an art business owner and freelance designer in Chicago, January edition. And like always, a giveaway in the end, so stay tuned for my yapping. Looking back at last month, I didn't get much done. After releasing a new art print and my first line of apparel, I'd say that's all the creative juices I currently got. I didn't have a very successful December with art fairs. It was my first consignment opportunity, and really disheartened me. Thankfully, it's a consensus in January for all small business owners to recoup, and then come February, that's when everyone comes out again for Valentine's Day. This month was really focused on production instead and setting routine. Or before, I'll do a Step 1, she said we were perfect. I don't know about the rest of it though. For some reason, I have a lot of physical magazines I've received for design that I never remember signing up for. I hate reading, but it'd be a waste not to see what it is, so I have done the habit of annotating images and tearing out the case studies or imagery I find helpful and putting them in a binder of just captivating case studies.
Very behind-the-scenes shady benefits of partnering with Honey was that you get stores and being like, hey, just give us 3%.
January 4th, I decided to build a 3D printer I was gifted. I have experience in architecture school with 3D printing, and I know a bunch of really cool 3D artists right now who make their own products from it, so there are some ideas in mind about what I can 3D print for my own small business, and if I can make this machine work, that would be really cool. I didn't want to apply to jobs, so I felt like setting up the 3D printer I stole from my cousin might be the best source of endorphins that are still decently productive. Spirits are high. It's in the AM still. I believe in myself. You know what? Architecture degree has got to be put to use for something. You see this manual? I mean, I feel like it looks decently okay compared to like IKEA. What's a 3D printer? Do I know how to use this? Hell no. Well, I did. Will I learn? Hell yeah. My Etsy listing for small stickers was really successful, so I'm going to keep on the series of making small stickers. They're going to be little Tumhulu and cherry blossoms. And guess down in the comments below for my sticker sheet name. I have one. I want to see what y'all would think. January 6th, my biannual time to dye my hair and feel like a new person again. Okay, basic fit. Shoes are Steve Madden sock shoes. Pants are from my mother, unfortunately. And then a white Aritzia top. Hopefully I look semi-approachable. Okay. I'm on a quest this year to find more creative people in Chicago, so I attended this event solo to AIGA and had an amazing time. Would go again.
Hello. Hi. We are climbing. And Veronica told me she was bad about speaking on camera.
I don't know what to say.
I don't believe that. She's a very good climber. We'll be doing that one later.
Yeah.
You got it.
Do it for the vlog.
The blooper reel.
Yeah.
So because I am serially on my computer, I feel like I need at least once a day to move my body, whether it's the gym every other day or having some type of long walk or maybe like a casual climb with friends. And while I'm not going to be your next favorite rock climbing influencer, at least I can go up walls vertically and not panic as much as I used to.
And then if you like, if you push up on it, maybe. Yeah.
I was writing my December script to film at the photo shoot place, and I was writing this sentence about being as transparent and authentic as I can be, and this is kind of what it looks like. I'm cramping. I don't want to do any of this. I started working at 7, but I haven't been able to finish making my sticker sheet because Blender keeps crashing and I don't know what to do, and I've been so fixated troubleshooting it for the past like 2 hours, and now I'm mad at myself all over again. And now I'm finally getting into the groove of writing a script. I pulled myself out of it. Clothing haul is my hot water bag, my Old Navy vest that looks disgusting, but I got it on sale, so I can't return it, but it's really comfy. It feels like I'm in like a sleeping bag. And my cross-country shirt from back in the day. I should just take a break when I need to, and my appointment's at 2 tomorrow, so I'll have enough time if I wake up in time. Behind the scenes of renting out my very first studio. I'm only gonna talk for 30 seconds because I rented this space for an hour and a half. Like, amazing. Like, literally look at this studio light. Everything I'd ever want. It's so crazy. I've only made like 3 reels and I'm supposed to make like 6 in a YouTube video, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Anyway, this is my first time ever hanging up all of my art together, and I took some product shots with my janky tripod. Here is the current fit of the day. And yeah, I'm panicking really badly, but it's fine. We'll make it work. Okay, I'll show you some behind the scenes. This is my inner monologue of how I look aesthetic on camera. Object. Play around and look multiple directions in order to look candid and make viewer entertained by multiple angles. Hardy har har. Just very aesthetic B-roll. You just need 5 seconds. Unfortunately, no social tracker this time. Well, my update is that comparing the months, I don't think it's substantial enough where I can measure any success. It's still like really slow growth. I gained some more followers just from going to a bunch of new places, in real life connection, and the pins that are doing the best on Pinterest right now are my Notion guide templates. I did a video on some templates I'm really proud of, so feel free to slide over there for that content, but Pinterest really likes it. That's my little recap of January. It was definitely not much art, but a lot of self-balance, which is always really important for the giveaway portion. I need you to subscribe and comment down below. I want to hear what the coolest new thing you've done in January was last month, or something that you really want to try. I tried pottery for the first time January 1st, and it was so horribly bad. I knew there was a reason I stayed away from pottery in high school. Makes sense now. In order to win one of my That Art Kids hats, and this is one of the very first samples I got. I didn't go with this manufacturer, but
It still looks good with outfits, especially a cool little summer or fall moment. So get ready for those seasons. So I'm excited to, I don't know what to do with the sample, so I thought it would be perfect to do for a giveaway. The font was just a little bigger on the other manufacturers, and I liked talking with that representative more. So yeah, like, subscribe, and comment, and I can't wait to give this away to one of you guys. It's a guarantee win if you enter, because I'm still starting this series out. But yeah, also the giveaway winner from last month was my friend Taylor, so I'll DM you later, Taylor. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. This format is different from the vlog style of last time, so let me know what you liked from the last one. I had to set a lot of context for that one, so there was a little more yapping. This one I tried to just like vlog my whole life, all encompassing for the productivity and the non-productivity, and I like it. I just have to be a little less camera shy in public, which is gonna be a work in progress. Alright, I'll see you guys for the next video.